Hello friends and welcome back. It's Mrs. Vincent. Thank you again for working so hard during our time together on Zoom. We are back today with our workbook for today. The materials you will need for today's lesson are lesson 7 in your workbook. You're going to see a whole lot of people at the top of your workbook, but something is missing, and we'll start with them in just a second. You will need workbook number 7. You will need a pencil for this one, and you're also going to need 2 crayons, blue and orange today, okay? If you need to pause the video in order to get those materials, please do so now. For those that are ready to start, I promised you a whole bunch of faces, but again, something is missing on those faces. Their mouths are missing, and we're gonna practice some opposites up at the top here. I have some men and some women. He's technically a man and a boy, a woman and a girl, but we're gonna think of them kind of together, okay? So I want you to think about those 2 men at the top, and you're gonna need your pencil for this first part. We need to add in those mouths, but listen carefully to my direction. The men are the opposite of sad. The opposite of sad. So think in your brains, what is the opposite of sad? And then we're going to draw that face in. I know that the opposite of sad is happy, and I'm just doing a really simple smiley face there. Both of the men are going to get that happy face. Down at the bottom, the women are the opposite of happy. The opposite of happy. You again need to draw the mouth in order to show what is the opposite of happy. If you need to pause the video now in order to draw all 4 of those mouths, please do so now. Once you're done making those mouths, you are welcome to color those pictures if you would like. Just be careful not to color over the mouth, because if I can't see if they're happy or sad, then I'm not able to grade it, okay? So you can color their hair, you can lightly color their skin, their clothing, okay? Down at the bottom, again, we're still gonna need that pencil, but we're practicing different objects. We've been talking about parts of a whole. So some of these objects have a missing part. I have a wagon, but something is missing. What part is missing? That's right, the handle. I could hear you through the phone, you got it. Take a look over here. I have a house. What part is missing on the house? That's right, it's the roof. And then I've got one last object. It's my car. What part is missing on the car? That's right, the wheels. Anytime you see dotted lines, it means trace in pencil. So you're going to take your time. You're going to trace over those dotted lines so carefully, being sure to touch each one of those dots. And then you're going to color them any color you would like. Again, just be careful that you don't color so hard that I can't see your pencil marks anymore, okay? So trace first in pencil and then color. All right, you can save all of that for after the video, because I want you to turn to the back side. And we're now in a restaurant. A restaurant is a place where people eat food. We have a waiter or a waitress who takes your order. She is taking the order of this gentleman here. He's got a menu in his hand. So people go and visit a restaurant in order to order food. Okay, so in this one, this is where we're gonna need our crayons. With your orange crayon, you're gonna make a mark on all the people, orange. It's a little silly, but make a mark on the people, orange. Remember, you're not coloring now, make a mark only. I made a mark on one person, you're gonna make a mark on all of them. Pause the video to do so now. Your next coloring roll is for your blue crayon. We're gonna make a mark on all the furniture blue. So I see a table. Again, I'm gonna make a mark on my table in blue. But you're gonna go back and make a mark on all your furniture blue. you don't need to pause the video because we are all done for now. Remember, your people are going to be orange, your furniture is going to be blue, but then you can color the rest of that picture any color you would like. Be sure to go back and finish the front side of this worksheet, take a picture, and upload it to Google Classroom with the help of an adult if needed. Thank you so much, friends, for all your hard work. Until next time, bye-bye.